They are asking here orbital speed and as well as orbital period. So first orbital speed, what is the formula, Pradosh? So orbital speed V is equals to, what is the formula? So V is equals to
V into mass of Earth divided by
mass of
R.
the Earth divided by
So,
radius.
R.
Yes or no? So capital G into mass of Earth divided by radius. So this is what the orbital speed, and same way orbital time period. Can you say period? What is the formula? 2 pi into
2 pi into root of
Root over
R
R cube
cube
divided
by
by
GMS.
capital G into
capital
mass of
G
the sun.
into, now it is what?
Mass of the satellite.
Correct or not? So mass of the Earth we have to take it. So these are the two formulas we have. So now you can see here, what is the question? You observe very carefully here. Assume that a satellite orbits Earth 225 kilometers above its surface. So now if you take it here, this is what we should call as, what is this? Earth. So Earth is also having some center. So Earth it is. So now Earth around how many kilometers above the satellite is revolving? So the satellite is revolving 225 kilometers above from its surface. Is it yes or no, guys? So this is what the satellite position. So let me take now. This is what the satellite. This is what the satellite. So above from the surface, what is the height? How many height it is above? 225 kilometers.
225 kilometers.
Now, as we know, they have given mass of the Earth. They have given. So mass of the Earth, which is equals to how much? 5.97 into 10 power 24 kilogram. Now, radius of the Earth they have given. Radius of the Earth is equals to 6.38 into 10 power 6 meters. So radius of Earth means from here to here they have given. But we want what? Actually R means what, guys? From the center of the Earth to the satellite. That is what we should call as R. Yes or no, guys? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
So that is. So this is only the radius of the Earth. But what is R, guys? Actually, we know what is R. This total distance is called as R. Is it yes or no? Others also should respond. So now total
Yes,
distance,
sir.
what we should have? Radius of the Earth plus height from its surface. The satellite height from its surface totally will give you R, the total distance. Is it yes or no, guys?
Yes,
That is
sir.
what you have to remember. Total distance it will give. So this is what we have to calculate it now. So now till here, any doubt, anybody you can ask me. If not, we'll proceed. Good morning, Laksha.
No, sir.
So this is.
Sir, no doubt, sir.
We'll proceed further. So if you'll observe very carefully here, the first point will proceed. V is equals to root of G into ME divided by R. Shall we start now? So you can see the first part, if you notice it, so substitute the values as we already know. So V is equals to, what is the formula? So V is equals to root of
Root over
mass of R
G
divided.
to M by
So now
R.
R value how much, guys? You tell me. R value how much it is? R value.
6.605 into 10 power.
R is equals to
10 power.
R is equals to two things. What is that? R is equals to what is that? Two things it is there.
6.38 into 10 power 6 plus 2.25 into 10 power 5.
Differently. 100%. It is very different. Actually, today only keyboard is not functioning. No keyboard, no key is functioning. It's okay. So now you can see R is equals to what it is. So first R value we want.
0.3.
So wait.
6.6 10 power.
Go here. So now you can notice here. So as we know, R is equals to 6.38 into 10 power 6 meters plus this
Plus
225 kilometers. How we can write? 225 into 10 power 3 kilometers. Is it yes or no, guys? That is what you have to, sorry, 10 power 3 meters it is. Yes? So that is what you have to remember it. So now, You people know that 1 kilometer is equals to how many meters, Ra? 1 kilometer is equals to
1000.
1000 meters.
1000 meters. So that one I can write as a 1 kilometer is equals to 10 power 3 meters. This is what you have to write it. Now this is also I can write as a 6.38 into 10 power 6 meters plus, can I write as a 2.25
Into
into
10 power 5.
10 power 5 meters. Any doubt till here? You can ask me. Anybody?
No doubt, sir.
No, sir.
So now if you add that both, we used to get how much? 6.61 into 10 power 6 meters. Is it yes or no, guys? If you add that both, you can notice it. So how much?
6.605 into 10 power.
Yes, okay. So if you add that, then what we used to get? 6 point, 6 point how much?
605.
What?
0.
605, correct? So you can take 6.1.
Yeah.
If above, after decimal, if it is second digit is greater than 5 or equals to 5, then you can borrow one digit to previous digit and you can rounding off. Okay? So I can rounding up to 6
Okay, sir.
into 10 power 6 meters. So this is what the radius. So means distance. Distance between from where to where? Distance between from center of the earth to the satellite center. Do you understand, guys? This is what R. Any doubt till here? You can ask me clearly. Clear, all of you? So now we will proceed and we can substitute in the formula. So we used to get, I will show you that values also, how to find cube roots and all also, because you people don't know, correct? So that is why. So now we can say V is equals to root of, what is the G value? Everybody. What is the G value, guys?
7 into 10 power minus 11.
7 into 10 power minus 11 Newton meter square per kilogram square, correct? So values alone you can take 6.67 into 10 power minus 11. Next, what is the mass of the earth? Mass of the earth is equals to, what is the mass of the earth? 5.97
5.97 into 10 power
24 divided by this one, how much, Ra? 6.61
6.61 into
10 power
10
6.
power 6.
That is no squares and all. So now V is equals to, you can see. So first, all of you, what you have to do? You have to do this one. So this one you can write as a 6.67 into 5.97. All of you multiply this and 10 power 6 will go up. What will become, Ra? 10 power 6 will
Minus 10 power.
Other
10 power minus 6.
10 power 6.
24 minus
Minus
12 power.
Monis is not a joint. So it will become, can I write it as a like this? Local 10 power minus 11 into 10 power 24 into 10 power minus 6
10
10 power minus 6.
divided by,
Sir, you can take 6.7. sir.
6.61.
you can take 6.7 also, no, sir. So now 10 power minus 11 minus 6, minus 11 minus 6, how much? Minus 6, which is equals to minus 17. So minus 17 plus 24, how much, guys? I think plus 7. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir. Plus 7.
So now do this division, all of you, and tell me how much it is equals to, which is equals to, so 6.67 into, multiply that 6.67 into 5.97, how much? 39.8199 into 10 power 7 divided by 6.61. So all of you do this one, 6.61. So if we'll do, we used to get this value 6.02 into 10 power 7, root of 6.02 into 10 power 7. Till here, any doubt, anybody you can ask.
No doubt, sir.
The answer you will get. So root
No
of,
doubt.
I will show you one tabular column also, guys, to make you understand this squares and cubes. So the later you can understand. So now this is what 6.67 into, if we'll do this value, then we used to get the value 7.76 into 10 power 3 meter per second. What is the value? What is the V value? V is equals to 7 point, how much, Ra? 7.76 into 10 power minus, 7.76 into 10 power 3 meter per second. So this is what the answer. I will say the tabular column. Now till here you solve it, everybody. Any doubt, anybody you can ask. Solve this value. So till there, have you got that root of 6.02 into 10 power 7? Till here, if you are getting, then we can root value, I will say it. You have to learn this value.
Sir, got, sir.
Pradosh, where is Monish? Monish not a join. Others?
Sir, I can't call him, sir. I don't have.
Darun? What happened to those? He's not joined.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes, tell me okay.
sir, that R value having no, sir. Sir, that we want to add 6.38 and 2.25 only, no, sir.
You have to take it as a powers also. That is why it will come like this. That is understand. You have to extend them into
Sir.
0, then you have to add it. Okay?
Sir, no, sir, that only I am talking about the two values, sir.
You are adding only
That
6.8 and 2.25.
No, sir, that we want to add only, no, sir, the two numbers.
These two numbers we have to add. That is why you cannot add this. You have to write it in the form of zeros. Then only add, and again you have to write it in the form of powers. Understand, okay?
Okay, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
But people will add 2.25. That directly it will give you wrong. It will give you 8.63. It is not the answer. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is it okay, Pradosh? Clear. Maitreyan, can you call that Monish? That is all. Any doubt till here? First part. Is it over, guys? Now second part you can take. So now, what is the second part? Second part is very simple. So we want to find time period, but it is a cube root and all will come. So it will take time. So we have to solve slowly. The tabular column I will show you. Actually, today my keyboard is not functioning well. It's okay. We will try. I will try to show. So now till here, have you completed all of you? Shruti, Manya and Samya? All of you finding this R value, extend the values into zeros. Understand that 10 powers, you have to extend it and you have to write it. Be very careful. That is now substitute the t values now. So 2 into pi into root of R value, how much, guys? R value 6.61 into 10 power 6 whole cube. 10 power 6 whole cube divided by G value 6.7 into 10 power minus 11
power minus
into
11.
mass of the earth is how much, Ra? 5.97 into 10 power 24. That is. So now you can see first simplify very easily. Everybody till here doubt? Lakshya, Manya and Samay also not there, I think. Join, make them to join. So that is what. So now if you'll observe here, so now we know first you can simplify 2 pi. So now can you write it as this one as 6.61 whole cube and this one as a 10 power 6 whole cube? Can I write it or not? Divided by. So this one as 6.7 into 10 power minus 11 into 10 power 24. Now powers alone you can take it back. So now powers alone you can take up. You can go, what it will become, guys? Everybody can say? Powers alone. Anybody?
Sir,
that means 10
powers alone.
power.
First you are all of you find it. So what is the value of 6.1 into 6.1 into 6.1? That is what I want. So this is 2 pi. Correct? So 2 pi into 6.1 into 6.1 into 6.1 cube. All of you do it. 6.1 into 6.61, correct? So 6.61 into 6.61 into 6.61, which is equals to how much? I think 288. 288.80 into 10 power 6 into 10 power 6 into 10 power 6. How much, guys? 10 power 6 into 10 power 6 into 10 power 6. You can add it directly. 10 power 12 plus 6, 18. Is it yes or no?
Sir, 200.
288 is okay. Now this is how much? 10 power 18. Clear?
10 power 18, sir.
Now 10 power minus 11 will come upside. What will become, guys? 10 power 11. Now 10 power 24 will come up. What will become? 10 power minus 24.
Minus 24.
Minus 24 divided by 6.7. That's all. So now you can see 2 pi into root of 288.80 divided by 6.7. These powers and all get cancelled. Now 10 power 18 plus 11. How much, Ra? 18 plus 11, 29. 29 minus 24. How much, guys? 29 minus 24?
5, sir, 5.
So into 10 power 5. That's all. Now all of you do this division. So 2 into 5 into root of this 288. 288 divided by 80. How much, Ra? Sorry, divided by 6.7. Slowly you do it.
Sir,
Use
5.97 we didn't multiply, sir.
5.97.
Yes, sir.
Which
Yes,
5?
sir.
Sir, that
The
mass
mass
of
of the earth.
Oh, mass of the earth, correct? Sorry, very good. So 5.97 is also there. So here also into 5.97. So very good. So that we have to do it. So now first you have to take 288.80 into 10 power 5. So divided by 6.7 into 5.7, how much? 5.9, how much, Amma? 5.9, which will give you 39.53. Is it Esra? So you have to do it
Yes,
slowly,
sir.
stepwise.
Yes,
So
sir.
now 2 into pi root of, now you have to do this value. So 39.53, 288.80 divided by 39.53. How much it will give? Check it all of you. It will come as a 7.30 into 10 power 5. This is what you used to get. Is it yes, guys?
Yes, sir.
So now, if you'll solve
Yes,
this
sir.
one, I will show you the root values and all. If you'll solve this one, we used to get 5.35 into 10 power 3 seconds. How much? 5.35. 5.35 into 10 power 3 seconds. How much, Ra? 5.35 into 10 power 3 seconds. So you convert it into minutes and hours, which is used to come around 89 minutes. 89 minutes it will come, or we can say 1.5 hours. So it will come as 89 minutes, or we can say 1.5 hours. So all of you solve till here. I will explain you these root values. I will go that and I will explain that. So do it, everybody. For those who understand now, Elmokil.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Solve it, everybody. Others also solve, Amma. Nishra Shruti? Mahalakshmi?
Sir, finished, sir.
It's okay. So now, clear any doubt, anybody you can ask. Clear? Adarshan?
Yes, sir.
Now, once again, that Shruti asked that. Shruti having doubt in that one doubt again I will explain her, and others also you can ask me if you have doubt. So that is only maths to physics, that relations. So as we know, what is the universal law of gravitation? What is the universal law of gravitation? Force F is equals to
Capital G into
Capital
M1
G
into
into
M2 divided by R.
divided by R square, correct? So now here, she is also having doubt and others also having doubt. That is what this relation. So as we know, Newton's law of gravitation, F is equals to capital G into capital M into small m divided by R square, or we can say
Square.
G into M1 into M2 divided by R square. So this is what. Now you observe very carefully. So now, if mass will become double, try to understand carefully. Now you can see. So now this mass will become double, understanding. Then what is happening? See, as we know, force is directly proportional to M1 into M2. Same way, force is inversely proportional to 1 by distance between the square of distance between their centers. This is what it is. Now understand, Shruti. Now, as we know, see, if force increases, mass is also increases. If force decreases, mass is also decreases. This is what we used to call as, they are both are direct relation. Understand? If one increases, another one is decreasing. So that is what. So now you can see here, if before you mass, you are having some X quantity. So now imagine now, if force is some X units, understanding, some X units you have, and then mass is also how much it is now, X mass you have. Do you understand? Are you clear, Amma? Now you can see,
Sir.
X become 2X, X become 2X. 2X in the sense of what? Mass will become what, guys? Double
Mass
it
will
will
become
Two.
double.
Then what
Double.
is see, x become 2x means then force also will become what? Force also will become
2x.
2x newtons.
2x.
That, understand, Shruti? Always they are
Yes,
directly proportional to each other. So one is increasing, another one is increasing. Another one is decreasing, another one is also decreasing. Now you can see here, mass become half. What will become the mass? Mass become half means x become again x by 2. You imagine first case. X become x by 2, m1 into m2. Then force also will become what?
Will become X by
Force
2.
also will become x by 2
X
newton.
by 2.
Are you clear, everybody? Others also? Any doubt you can ask me.
Yeah.
This is what it is
No
happening.
doubt, sir.
All the mass become Elmukil, all the mass become how much? Ra? All the mass become 3 times. Understand? So now x newtons is directly proportional to x m1 into m2. M1 into M2. Are you understand, Jayavarshini? Now x become, mass become 3 times. Mass become 3x. Then what will become, guys?
3x.
Mass will become 3x. So then force also will become 3x newtons.
3x.
That is what it is. Okay. Now you can see this is little bit different. So now you have to understand here. Body 1 mass become 2 times. Body mass to become how many times? 3 times.
3 times.
2 times.
So you
3
can
times.
see both it will become, you can see for example, both this is x. Now this is becoming 2x. Understanding? So now x is constant. Now this is increasing 2 times. X is constant. This is increasing 2 times. Now this is increasing 3 times. So now what will happen, guys? 3 2s, I have to do multiplication. Both are in multiplication, correct? So x is constant. So x, 3 2s are 6. M1, M2. So now x6 or we can say 6x, M1, M2. So now totally x become how many times now? X becomes 6x. So force also will become how much? Force also will become. Understand, everybody? 6
Newtons.
newtons. That is what you have to imagine. So that is what it is coming. Is it clear, everyone? Are you understand, Ra? Yes,
Yes,
that is
sir.
how to remember it. So now, if you observe here, this is what any doubt you can. Shruti, are you clear, Shruti, now?
Yes, sir.
Now you can go with the distance between their centers. This is different. So now how it is different, why it is different, let us see. Now you can notice here first distance become how many times, Ra? R become 2R. Is it yes or no, guys? So now let us see how it will be done, sir. We can notice it. Now you can see for initially bodies are between some x distance. This is M1 and this is what? M2. Now initially they are at R distance. What is that initially? R distance. Now what is the force, guys, in this case? Now force is equals to what? Force is directly inversely proportional to square of distance between
1
them.
by R square.
1 by R
Yes, sir.
square. This is what we know the relation. Is it yes or no? Now you can see. Now
Yes, sir.
observe very carefully. R become not square. This R become, R alone become. Let me imagine this is equation 1. Okay. So now if you want, you can understand better. Our assumption, imagine F is equals to 1 by R square. Is it okay, Ra? For our assumption, you can imagine this. This is equation 1. Any doubt, anybody, you can ask me, please. Clear? Okay, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Notice it.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
R become how much, Ra? R become how much? 2R. Correct?
2R.
2R.
This R become 2R in the sense of what? In place of R, what you have to write, Ra? In place of R, we have to write 2R. So
2R.
now,
2R.
F is equals to 1 by, in place of R, what we can write? 2R whole square.
2R whole
2R
square.
whole square.
So now, what will become?
1
F
by
equals
4
to
R square.
This is 2 square, R square. So which is equals to 1 by 4 R square. Is it yes or no, guys? Yes
Sir.
or no? Now let me imagine this is
Yes, sir.
F1. This is F1. First one is F1 and this is F2. Now F2 what will come, guys? Can I write as a F2 is equals to 1 by 4 into 1 by R square. Can I write it or not? Can I write it or not? Yes. So as we know
Sir.
from first equation, 1 by R square is equals to what, guys? 1 by R square is equals to what? F1. So can I write as a 1 by 4 into F1? So now what is the new force? New force is equals to
1 by 4.
1 divided by 4 means the initial force you have to divide 4 times. Then you used to get the value. Are you clear, Suti?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
any doubt, anybody you can ask me. Are you understand, Ra?
Yes, sir.
That is. So now, This is what if the distance become double. Mavanish, now distance become triple. What will happen? You can notice it. So very simple, okay. So now see here equals to it is not. We have to bring some constant. That constant I am not showing here. So for our assumption, I made this one. So if you have any doubt, anybody you can ask me. Now you will go with the distance become 3 times. What will happen? You can check it. Distance become 3 times. What will happen now? You can check it. Initial case, distance is r. What is the force? F is equals to 1 by r square. We can take it. Yes or no? So now
Till 1/3 r the whole square.
you can take initially F is equals to, this is the first case. So F is equals to 1 by r square. So let me imagine this is F1. So equation 1. Now r become 3r. R become what? R become 3r.
3r.
Now new force F2 is equals to 1 by 3r whole square. So what will come? Monish, what will come here?
1 by 9 into 1 by r square.
1 by 3 square, correct or not? Darun, are you understand? Darun, Sai, 1 by 3 square r square, which is equals to 1 by 9 r
1
square.
by 9 r.
Now, new force is equals to, can I write as a 1 by 9 into 1 by r
by
square?
9 into 1 by r square.
So as we know, 1 by r square is equals to what? 1 by r square is equals to,
F1. F1.
F1.
can I write
F1.
as a
F1.
F2 is equals to 1
F2
by
is equal
9
to
into
F1 divided by r. 9.
So I can write as a new force is equals to F1 divided by 9. So new
Divided by r.
reducing by how many times? New force is reducing by 9 times. Understand
1 by 9.
what F2. Same way, now distance become half. Distance become half. Let me imagine initial case. F1 is equals to 1 by r square. Equation 1. Now r become what? R become what, guys? R by 2.
1 by 2 r.
Whole square. So what will become? F2 is equals to 1 by r square divided by 2 square, which is equals to 1 by r square divided by 4. Now division is again having division. So it will become what? It will go up. Numerator.
Multiplication.
So F2 is equals to 4 into 1 by r square. So as you know, 1 by r square is equals to what, guys? F1.
F1.
4 by
What
r.
is the new force? F2 is equals to what? 4 into
4
F1.
into
So
F1.
force is increasing what? If distance become half,
Times.
if distance become half, force is increases how many times? Force is
4
increasing.
times.
4 times.
This is what you have to understand. Any doubt, anybody you can ask me. Now last same way, distance become 1 by 3 times. Distance become what? Distance become what? 1 by 3 times. Then what is?
9 into F1.
We have to check it. So now let us check it 1 by 3 times means what will happen? So initial case, as we know, F is equals to 1 by r square. This is equation 1. So now r will become what, guys? R will become r by 3 whole square. So which is equals to 1 by r square divided by 3 square, which is equals to 1 by r square divided by 9. So we is to get what, guys? So F2 is equals to 9 into 1 by r square. Yes or no, Ra? So new force is equals to 9 into 1 by r square is equals to what? F1. So the new force increases how many times, Ra? Darun?
9 times.
9 times. Increases. Are you clear? Everybody? Laksha? Manya and Samya, everybody? That is what you have to remember. Shruti, still you have doubt, you can ask me. Or else we can proceed. Monish, Adarshan, Darun, Asvita, are you clear? So this is what it is. So new force is increases 9 times. That's all. This is what this particular column. Any doubt, anybody can ask me. Are you clear, guys? If you are clear, then we'll move into the today's class. That is what we are going to derive a formula for small g. So that is what the only concept of today. So that is we'll proceed and we'll make it everything. So now you can see G and G value. Please keep heading all of you. G and G value. G and G value. The relation between capital G and small g. The relation between capital G and small g. Please all of you keep heading. The relation between capital G and small g. Are you clear, Ra? Yes. So now. So what is the, can you able to see my screen, all of you? Relation between capital G and small g. Is it okay, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, you can imagine for this case. So let us imagine, as we know, any object is present on the surface of the earth, actually G is indicating gravitational force of the earth. What is that? G is indicating gravitational force of the earth. Earth alone we can say, instead of gravitation, we can say gravity. What we can say? We can say what? Gravity we can say.
Gravity.
Everybody. So that is what you have to imagine. So now for this case, what we have to do means we have to consider. So let me consider this is what the earth. What is this called as? Earth.
Earth.
So now some kind of a small body is present which is having a mass of how much? Mass m. So now in this case you can see the both almost the body is closer to the earth. So can I take it as the distance between their centers which is equals to radius of the earth, guys? Can I take it or not? So the distance between them is equals to r. I will take it as a radius of the earth. What I can take it, guys? Radius of the earth. Why? Because they are very closer to the earth. Closer to the surface. So that is why I will take r is equals to r. Any doubt till here you can ask me. So this is what capital M. So capital M means what? Mass of the earth. This is mass of the object which is present on the surface of the earth. Now let us find what is the relation between G and G. The relation between them. So have you kept the heading, guys? Anybody have you kept the heading? G and G. Okay. The relation between them. So now first our assumption. So you please make it capital M means mass of the earth. What is that? Mass of the earth. Are you clear? Now R means what is R? Distance between their centers. What is that?
Distance between the centers.
Distance between their centers. But here, as we know, body is very close to the surface of the earth. The body is very close to the earth. So we can assume what? So we assume R is equals to what? R is equals to capital R. Understanding? Radius of the earth. Radius of the earth. So please note it down. Radius of the earth. Any doubt? That is clear. So now from the Newton's law of gravitation, tell me, guys, from the Newton's law of gravitation, what is F equals to? Newton's law of gravitation.
Capital G into M1 into M2 by R
F is
square.
equals to, what is the draw? F is
Capital G into M1
Capital G
into M
into small m
by R
divided by
square.
capital R square. Yes or no? R is equals to R. So this is what the formula. Any doubt? Anybody you can ask me here. So now let us see from Newton's second law of motion. So from Newton's second law. So as we know, Newton's second law
F is equal to M.
is equals to what, guys? Mass into
mg.
acceleration. So in the case of gravity, so what we know? A is equals to G. What is that? A is equals to G. So now F is equals to M into G. Jayvarshini, any doubt Jayvarshini in this? Are you clear? No? No, now. So let us imagine. This is the equation 1 and this is what? Equation 2. Clear? So now, shall we proceed, guys? Are you clear? So now, equate 1 and 2. Equate equation 1 and 2. What we used to get, brothers? Equate 1 and 2. So can I write it as a M into G, which is equals to capital G into capital M into small m.
Capital M to small m
R square.
by
Any doubt?
R square.
Are you clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now you can see. So what will come, guys, here? Can I get cancel the small m and small m? Small m means what? Mass of the object. What is that?
Mass of the object.
Mass of the object. Understanding? That is. So now capital small g is equals to what? Gravitational force of earth. What is that? Gravitational force of earth. Only we can call it. Only earth gravitation alone we can call it as what, guys? We can call it
Gravity.
G into capital M divided by
R square.
R square.
What is the M here? M is equals to what? Mass of
Mass.
earth.
Mass of air.
Earth.
Another object.
Equals to